Hello everyone, I'm Agatha and you've landed on my channel where I share insights on how to make money through binary options. In this video, we're going to break down a very profitable strategy that's going to help us earn money online. We'll be using a combination of super trend and stochastic indicators, which is going to get us over $3,000 in just 7 or 8 minutes. And guess what? We're going to start with just $10. I mean, where else can you make so much money in such a short time? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also, join my Telegram channel if you want to get my trading signals for free. With them, you can get daily profits up to $500 on binary options. And no worries, I have a fantastic win rate of 89%. Find the link to the channel in the description and in the pinned comment. Now, let's get started. First thing we do is log into our Quotex platform and set it up. Here we set the trade duration to 1 minute and we will be using a 30-second candlestick time frame. Perfect. We want currency pairs with high interest rates ranging from 90 to 92%. And here we can select our indicators. Today, we are going with a combination of super trend and stochastic. We are all good here. The settings are already in place. Let's break down the indicators. The super trend is the indicator designed to track trends by drawing lines directly on the chart. When an upward movement begins, it changes its color to green. And during a downward movement, it turns red. The stochastic oscillator is a momentum indicator. It tends to change direction before any price corrections, which helps predict market movements. In essence, the stochastic helps anticipate the market situation, while the super trend provides insight into the current scenario. This combination of indicators is very powerful. Now, let's move on to the most important part. Let's dive into the first pair. It's clear that the correction is still ongoing, and stochastic confirms this. Pressing down. Great job! This earns us our first $19. Let's move on to the next pair. The New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar. A trend reversal has emerged from a local peak, and we're following the fresh downward trend. Let's place our bid. Awesome! Our well-informed analysis rewards us with an additional $36. Fabulous! Moving on. Well. This one is risky. We will skip this one and move on to the next pair. Back to the first pair, the US dollar and the real. Both indicators are pointing toward an upward movement, and the candles are eager to climb up. Let's go! Well done! We made $68. And now let's hunt for the next entry point. On the second pair, the downward trend remains in play. Let's follow it and press the down button. Yes, that was a piece of cake. $129 in the back. The US dollar and the rupee seem ready for an upward rebound. We won't interfere with this. Let's hit that up button. And done. We've secured $245. Moving right on to the next trade. Let's not rush here. Things are still a bit unclear. Let's check our another pair. Trade 6 involves the Canadian and the New Zealand dollar. Our downward trend is still in motion. Time to hit the down button. Awesome! As anticipated, we are now $466 richer and we are going into the next trade. Back to the US dollar and the rupee. Stochastic suggests that the decline is far from over. Let's go down. We've got $885. But hey, we can make it even juicier. So what do you say we roll the dice one more time? The US dollar and real. The super trend is calling it. We are entering a fresh downtrend. Let's place our bid. Looking good. We've already made a sweet $1,620, but let's not stop here. For the Canadian and New Zealand pair, we will once again rely on the stochastic indicator, which predicts further decline. Clicking down. Sweet! This is what happens when you pick the right cards and play your hand well. We've made $2,530, and now it's time for the grand finale. The USD and the Indian rupee are still actively following the downward trend. Hit that button. Fabulous! It only took 7 or 8 minutes and we've turned $10 into $3,420. That's a jaw-dropping 34,200% increase in the blink of an eye. Ever seen anything like it? That's an amazing result. Totally off the charts. If you want to jump on this gravy train with me, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. We've already got over 36,000 traders on board who keep sending their love with messages saying thanks. Together, we're making $415,000 every single day. I provide step-by-step guidance on how to use Quotex, down to the smallest details like which buttons to press, and the best part, it's for free. They're simply copying my moves, and since my win rate is 89%, the risks are minimal. Trading and signals are not as complicated as they might seem, and I'm going to be right there with you personally to guide you. So hop on the money train and let's get rolling. All you have to do is follow these 2 steps. First, join my Telegram channel, and second, shoot me a private message. From there, you will be well on your way to a life of luxury and dreams come true. So what are you waiting for? Hop on board now. Join via the link in the description or the pinned comment. And don't forget to be smart about risks. Keep your emotions in check and avoid putting your entire deposit into a single trade. Unexpected market swings can happen to anyone. If you've got questions, kindly leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Spread the word and share my channel with your friends. Let's build a thriving community of traders together. That's all for now, guys. Peace out. Wishing you all an amazing day. And I'll see you on my cozy Telegram channel.